I think Karan, we can start.
Yes. Hello, everyone. Good afternoon, good evening from India, wherever, whichever part you are, and a very warm welcome on behalf of all India Oracle user group and meet and greet, and chat with Oracle Aces of India. So I can already see pretty good number of, attendees, and we're really excited and looking forward to have fun with all of you. And considering this is the last day, and we are at the end, and it has been an amazing journey for all the attendees, especially because they got to attend this for absolutely free and complimentary, and they got global experts, they got executive vice presidents and all the amazing great speakers this year from Oracle and global, worldwide, I should say, ACE directors and everyone else. And you absolutely nailed it. And congratulations on behalf of all India Oracle user group to all the attendees that you got this tons of knowledge, I should say, hands-on labs and much more. Fireside chats and whatnot. So this was a amazing experience, and because we prioritize health of all India Oracle user group community first. So because of COVID, we made sure that virtually you get it for absolutely free. So congratulations everyone, and here we are. This is our this is on the slide. As you can see, we had amazing great speakers, machine learning, developer community, from database side, engineering system side. We had everything available for you. So once again, congratulations to everyone who attended this. It was all because of your support. We were able to get a massive noise on social media as well. So moving on, we have ACEs today. We have we have uh, we have ACEs today, of course, from India. And talking about the ACEs, when I say so, this is a ACE program. If you can see on the slide, we have 500 technical experts helping the peers globally. So when we talk about community, we need to know what is a community. It's that all people who are using Oracle near you, of course, online as well, where you meet people on forums, where you help people on the forums. When I started 12 years back, I started in 2008 working on OTN forum, when we had people like Hemant Chital, Sai Brand Baker, the most famous man, I should say, for his interesting things. So I started from there. So we had a lot of people coming in the community. So by community we mean definitely people who are near us, as well as globally as well, who are near to us online. So we have these people helping all together. We have different levels of ACEs, ACE directors, ACEs, ACE associates, and the advantages are many, that you get recognized, and even to ACE directors, you get to attend product briefing annually. You get to travel to the open world. Your stay and travel is sponsored, and the benefits are just unlimited, and you get to communicate and get a chance to send or ask information to Oracle development as well. That helps you make points as well, and that's just amazing to have. And more importantly, you get a tag or an award from Oracle to share your knowledge. Remember, it should be a passion. It's not that we are just keeping our knowledge to ourselves. So this is really interesting program, and we want that everybody should start helping peers globally and locally, wherever possible. And this is the ACE program, and you can nominate yourself if you're already doing that. We're going to ask you today what you are doing and what you are looking for to, or have any sort of advice from the Oracle ACE experts today, which we have today on board in this session. So yeah, more details you can find on this link, which you will get it. and 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 yeah, moving on now. We have, yes, we have Indian, ACE community here today. This is the third, or I should say the last leg where we have these remaining ACEs today. And it's a privilege and my honor, to introduce all of them. All of them are, doing some great stuff in their arena already. So, and that is why they are rewarded for their passion to share knowledge. So I'll introduce, and give them a chance to, one by one, so that they can share their journey, their story, how they, how they started, and how they became and what became the aces and what they are today and what was their goal basically. So remember, because the target is not to have an award, but there should be a reason, to serve the community and socially. Let's hear from them, and let's move on. Uh, you know, okay, so myself first. I'm Karan, guys, by the way, and I belong to the northern region. I was born and brought up in Chandigarh. That was the place, and I help as much as possible the northern community when I'm not traveling. And when I'm traveling, so I try to go to different places. I was like placed in Middle East and traveling southern region, and eastern region of India as well. Trying to share knowledge through different means, online as well as train them, in some way or the other. And I first started in 2008 when like I said already, when people like Cyber and Hemant K. Chital was on Oracle OTN forum, because now it's like dev forums, but traditionally it was OTN. That's when we started. I used to get inspired by looking their reply. So I started and I saw, okay, they're getting points, and there are some guru tags, expert tags, and I had a handle. So it was very cool thing, you're learning while helping. See, so when you help, you Google as well, and you try to learn some stuff. That's when I started, and slowly then when I started attending conferences like Sangam, it's the festival of India, as you know, OG Yatra, which was OTN Yatra, ODEV Yatra. I started looking at these people like Sai Penimuru, Ace director, Satyendra Kumar. We have Murli Vallath as well, the RAC, or I should say Mr. RAC. He has written, few books on RAC as well. I used to look forward to this. They used to come to North India, Gurugram, Delhi, and they used to present sessions. So we used to get inspired, and we used to take help from them. Okay, what can we do? And all of that present session. So it was really cool thing. And eventually today we're able to get this ACE tag, and it's a privilege. And that's what we will talk about, guys, and we'll give a chance to all the attendees as well. What things matter, certifications, writing a book, blogging, and you help on forums, you present sessions virtually, online, wherever possible. Attending, because the first step is attending. Attending is the most important thing, because when you attend, you do networking, right? The only way to make connections is attend and network, because as you know, most of the sessions are happening locally. When I went to Bangalore for a Exadata event and a big data event with Harish, my friend. So we had like almost 100 people, and they were like crazy for the passion was amazing. So we were inspired from them actually. The passion from morning to evening, they didn't uh, even yawn. So it was amazing. So that's what we need to do. That when you attend more, the more network you do, and the more inspiration you get from the people. Like, when you meet Sandesh physically, look at the energy we gain from him. Right, it's such a positive energy. When we listen to Rich Nemick, Ace director, what a motivational guy. His speeches. So that's what we need to, you know, do actually, and networking and everything. So it all starts with networking. So that's about my story. Here I am today, and thanks to All India User Group, Sai Penimuru, and the people who have inspired my colleagues, especially from All India Oracle User Group, like Harish, Arpit, the database writer Hari Prasad, and they inspire me so much. and I'm always looking to learn, and not to mention Golden Gate Guru, Veera. So have your speciality. Like I always say, try to do something in a cool fashion. Like if you see Friggs Hoogland, he's a log writer guy. Hari Prasad is a database writer guy. So try to do something cool. Have your handle, a fancy handle. People should know you, and it gives you personality. People kind of look forward to you. So try to do this stuff in a cool, fashion, and it's really good to have your personality. You speak in front of 100 people, so it's another experience as well. So same thing you can apply in your company as well and get a growth. So maybe your a boss will be impressed, or however you want to do. You get a lot of things. You get promoted. You get a job. I was referred by my colleague in a few companies. I was in Oriflame. He was in community. Then Arpit, my colleague, he said, why don't you come to Fidelity? So this is networking, guys. So it's really, I'm really inspired by all my colleagues here. So that's about my story, guys, and I'll forward to the next ace. We have, I think it's, if I'm not wrong, Arpit. Arpit, over to you.
Sure. Thank you. Thanks, Karan, for sharing your details. It is actually very inspiring for us as well. First of all, I would like to thank all of the participants who have come over the weekend, especially on the evening time. I think if you have already been through this session and you want to know how we actually kept grown and how we have contributed to the community and what's in it for you. So that means you are very serious about your career already. So thanks for that. And another thanks to AIOG for arranging this meetup so that all Oracleians can come together, share their experiences with the community. So thanks a lot. It's my privilege to be, on the same platform with such a wonderful guys who are Oracle Aces, where I get all the inspiration from. About me, my name is Arpit. I work as a technical consultant at Fidelity International. I'm having an overall experience of around 12 to 13 years working on various Oracle technologies in my career. Lately, I've been working on various emerging technologies like data virtualization, visualization. Uh, not recently, it's been quite a time now. I have been involved in a lot of various automations through shell scripting, Ansible, uh, recently with Terraform. Now I've been, working and learning cloud as well. So that's a bit about me. About my journey in being an Oracle ace, it's kind of pretty interesting. I remember I started almost 4 years back, where I went to some of the AIG session. Uh, Before that, I was always, kind of good in technologies where I used to think about myself. I learn it. I do best in my work. I get promoted. Everything was with me. But lately, when I started going to AIG sessions, starting attending a lot of webinars, and there was some encouragement from my company as well. Why not you arrange the meetups and go into those meetups and be visible? So I went to one of the meetup. I can compliment Harish as well. That was Big Data meetup, which you came to North India along with Harish. So that was my first meetup, which I went for AIUG, and that inspires me a lot. And from there, I never look back. I invited North India chapter team to conduct sessions in my company Fidelity. They have been really great. A lot of support from them to provide their premises over the weekends with all the things in place. From there, I started participating in speaking activities. Whatever I learned, I used to speak. And I never thought of being ace, obviously, in the first phase. It was just, whatever I learned, share it with the community. So if you just think of being ace, I think you don't want to be, because everybody I feel is an ace in their, whatever individual capacity they are. But if you want to be ace, first, if you like to learn, so I would give three mantra LSN. It's not the Golden Gate LSN logical sequence number. It's learning, sharing, and networking. So first you learn, then you share whatever you learn, and then you network. That is the power of this, being in ACE community and AIOG and all the things. So you have already seen what is the power of learning. That will help you in growing in your career. If you share, you will actually meet a lot of people, and it will develop your inherent skills as well. Like Karan said, speaking in front of 100 people and knowing them, it will actually, you will not even know what are the attributes in your personality will come out of it, which is also I've discovered in myself. I was very shy, you know, not even shy. I never used to speak a lot. A person with very less words. Now I don't feel shy, speaking in front of any number of people. So these are attributes which I have discovered during this phase. And the last one is obviously networking. It opens a Pandora boxes of opportunities for you. If you see beautiful people out on the screen, a lot of people behind the scenes in AIG, a lot of people in the community, you learn, you grow, you share your ideas with them. So that is what I would say. Then lately, I've been inspired obviously by Sai, my AIG team members, and obviously Karan as well, to become an Oracle Ace. Lately, around a year now, and then I started working towards it, and today I'm in front of you in Oracle Ace. But this is basically in passion. If you just want to become an ace, just to be an ace, to see the fame, but I would say that will become a burden for you. So if you want to become, you want to contribute to community, obviously go for it. It's not very difficult, and uh, opportunity will lie in front of you. That's about me. Thank you.
Great. Thanks, Arpit. So next ace would be, let's move on, would be, I think, is it Hari Prasad?
Yeah, yeah. Good evening to all. Karan, Happy, every team. Good evening and all friends. Thank you for the opportunity. Uh, so,
Uh,
I
am I, Harish, am I mean, not able to hear, or is it
Yeah, it's a bit low, Harish.
okay?
The volume is a bit low.
Hari Prasad, yes, Hari Prasad, could you kindly raise your?
just a minute.
Okay.
Or maybe you want to be next. We can come to the
No,
next
no, no.
person.
Now it's okay.
Okay,
Yeah, it's much better.
much better. Yeah.
Yeah. Good evening to all. So this is, my name is Hari Prasad Rajaram. I'm from Chennai. Last 6-7 years, I'm supporting Chennai chapter AOG, along with Harish, Veera. So there is two major conference happening in India. One is for OG Yatra and the Sangam. So these two conference we supporting from Chennai chapter, and then monthly events also happening. Like every month, the technical session is happening, and the tech day also happening, like RAC or Exadata. So last year we conducting Golden Gate, Exadata. Like Karan is coming in Chennai, and so more than 100 people, like before he said. So he take the wonderful session in Chennai DBS, like the Exadata engineering system is explained performance to me, everything like. So what is I'm going to say here, like attend the monthly meetings. Monthly meetings takes tech days, all the stuff, so you can learn new concepts and networking, build the network and sharing the knowledge. This is a very important these days actually. So why I'm saying, like we don't know where is a job opening, where the current because you almost 10+ years experience, you cannot get job easily. So help of the community, help of the network, you get easily the opportunity, you grab the opportunity because of people attending, more than 100 people in the different companies, different friends, different. If you even Sangam, more than 1,000 people will attend the Sangam conference. So minimum what I'm saying, just sharing your knowledge. Previously, Arpit and Karan all already tell everything. So what I'm saying, so write small articles. So you make document and share to friends. Initially, my career it started to develop the juniors in Doances. I'm working in Doances Chennai. It's Oracle based company. So initially, what I did, so I trained junior peoples. I share my knowledge to juniors. So why I need to stop here in Doances itself? Again, I think, and I'll tell to Arish and Veera from Chennai chapter, they encourage me to scope. That means you open new website and start writing there, and small articles need to publish. These all the things I learned from the AOG side only. So a lot of things I learned from AOG people, like yeah, previously if you attend the morning session or afternoon session, the bonding with the AOG family is very, very strong. So each and every Sunday we call AOG people and update the status, monthly meetups, everything. So what I'm saying, like attend the monthly meetup and the technical sessions, then you can have an idea about the new technology, everything. So these all the wonderful session, like 100 plus session. It's not happening in every community actually. There is lot of community in world actually. After the open world, Oracle open world, this is the biggest, largest, in Asia. This is the largest community, Oracle community. We conducting two major conference this year virtually. One is OG Yatra and this one. So thanks to AOG team and thanks my colleagues. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Hari. And thanks for sharing your story as well. So, next we have is Vinay Mistry. He's our another Oracle Ace champion. So, over to you, Vinay.
Hey guys, thanks a lot. Thanks for this platform. Actually, this is my second meet and greet. The last one I was moderating it, but yeah, still thanks a lot for providing this opportunity. Uh, to tell my story is similar to everyone what people have discussed. I started with I started with Patni Computers as a normal programmer and a DBA. And further, when I was growing up, I used to always think that there is always a question in my mind: whom should I ask? My circle was just inside my organization, right? There we used to get a lot of information. There we used to get pass on a lot of information. Slowly, when I moved out of my career and decided to get into entrepreneurship, where I become an Oracle consultant into the industry. Then I found at that time, I found an All India Oracle Users Group where I attended the first OG Yatra 6 years back. And it actually affected me so much that boss, there is something which is outside the world. I mean, outside your organization. You should think about talking to more people, going ahead and sharing your knowledge. From then onwards, I was managing the Mumbai group, or you can say a Mumbai chapter, and slowly we grew very good at the Mumbai chapter, and we uh, last I think last year we could not do anything. A year before, we used to have one session every third Saturday of the month, one in-person session every Saturday, every third Saturday of the month, and that was one achievement that we continued that for almost 1.5 years. If the COVID would not have been there, we would have extended that as well. So there is lot to learn, lot to share. About ACE program, I actually landed into ACE program unknowingly. I never thought that I'll get into it, but the opportunity strike Sai and the leadership says thought that you're doing so much, you should actually go ahead and apply for ACE program. And I applied for the ACE program, and I was fortunate to get an Oracle ACE, which is a second level. Uh, and one thing I have learned is never pick a subject. This is my opinion. Everyone has their own opinion. Never pick a subject which you are doing on a daily basis. If you want to learn more, give a session on a topic which you have not explored. You will be able to learn hell lot of things. And I actually did that. If you see my sessions happening across last 2 years at Sangam, I have taken a subject where I am not doing any consulting or any work. I'm just picked up just to learn new things there. And so I always take this an opportunity as an to understand and learn new things. Rest, you can definitely go ahead and answer questions on the community, because community.oracle.com, that helps uh, plenty of people. I think Veera became an ACE director because he almost 7 to 8 years constantly he was answering questions on his on the community.oracle.com. It had made him an golden gate guru, because that every question you go ahead and find so many answers right across. Just pick the question and Google around, you will understand 10 different things. which is not possible in your day-to-day life. Only thing is, you have got lot many things from your community around. When you ask question, people do answer. Make sure you give back to the community. And if you give back to the community, go ahead and go ahead and apply for the ACE program. And that ACE program will definitely open a lot of opportunity to further contribute to the world. Uh, I'm on ACE, but level next, if I achieve the level next, then I can go ahead and definitely go ahead and share my knowledge across the globe. But make sure that don't think this is an award. This is an recognition given to you for your contribution towards the community. Thank you very much.
Yeah. So see, guys, just a small interruption. Sorry for that. So see, guys, this is the thing which even Vinay and Hari and Arpit mentioned. So these are small things, and these are life-changing, stories. One small thing even can help you. Like like if you're a part of Telegram group of AIOG, right? You help someone, you'll be recognized, right? So these are the things. It all starts with networking, and all these things can change your life. And like just Vinay said, that try to learn new thing every day by Telegram group or whatever, or any other forum. Yeah, so keep an eye on these stories, guys. I'm just reminding you, not that I'm interrupting. Yeah, please, let's go on. Yeah. Next we have Maz Khan. Yeah, so hi Maz, over to you, and please share your story as well.
Hey, hi Karan. Thank you very much. Thank you. And hello, everyone. I'm Maz Khan, and I'm a senior Oracle Apps DBA. I'm currently working in a product-based company in Oman. And my core areas of expertise include Oracle Database Administration, Oracle E-Business Suite, and I'm more into designing solutions on Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. And I've been recently recognized as most valuable contributor in my Oracle support community. So it's basically like most of the points I see Vinay, Arpit, and Karan, Hari, they have actually included most of the points for being for the benefits of being an Oracle ACE. But two points I would like to add on to these. The first one would be like, once you are an Oracle ACE associate, Oracle ACE director, you have the newsletters coming in, wherein a lot of information is being given, over emails, and it is like it is for privileged Oracle ACE associates and Oracle ACE directors. And the second one would be the product briefing, like the recent one was on Oracle Data Safe. So these product briefings, they are more like specially these sessions are organized only for the Oracle ACE levels. So these are two benefits I would like to add onto all the benefits which are already mentioned by the earlier ACEs. And as Arpit said, it is like learn, share, and networking. So these 3 points, it is more like Oracle ACE is just it's not an award, it is a recognition, and it is more like you start learning, sharing, networking, and there are different channels. So when I'm talking about channels, it is like the Oracle communities, so which includes OTN, my Oracle support community. And recently we have Oracle Cloud Customer Connect. So again, these are the 3 platforms which I frequently use, and provide solutions. I ask questions. So that's how these platforms I use to actually share information. Apart from that, we have this like the multiple Sangam, we have AIUG, and all these platforms are there as well. I have recently had a virtual session on OCI Bastion server in APAC virtual tour. So there are many Oracle user groups across the globe. So once we are part of this, the Oracle ACE program, we have a lot of benefits. So this is all about me and I was I was recently recognized as an Oracle Ace in August 2020, and I'm looking forward to connect with all of you once we have this, next year, maybe Sangam 2021 and other events as well. Thank you very much. Thank you, Karan. Hope you're feeling well now, and take care.
Thanks so much, Maz, and really privileged to have you from Oman and helping the Indian community. So that
Karan,
is really, yeah.
just to add one thing, thanks, Maz. You have actually helped me remembering or helped me pointing out one more thing. This year, even Oracle Ace and Oracle Ace Direct, earlier the product briefings were only for Oracle Aces. So product briefing is the place where people get information about the new what you say, new features which is coming to next sessions or
Right.
next products. But this year, this was due to COVID, since it was not happening at Oracle Open World. This year, all entire Oracle Ace community was made part of it, and they had virtual session where they actually showcased before it is being live or before it is being generally available. They have showcased these these features in the product briefing. So when you are a ACE director, there is generally a session before Oracle Open World where they provide this detail to ACE directors, but this time they have provided it to the entire ACE community, and which was actually enriching. So before they launched this features in the world, we as an ACE program members, we had the information on it. So that's the power of what Oracle ACE gives you in the Oracle stack of the technology.
Sure. Thanks so much, Vinay, for this valuable points. So next is our another superstar. She is from the Paradise, and I'll let her explain all that. So over to you, Aishwarya. Yeah.
Thank you so much, Karan. Hi everyone. You are probably tired of my voice by now, so I'm sorry for that. Yeah, but paradisey means that I'm right now in the pandemic era. I'm not stuck. I'm trying to use a better word, but I am in Dehradun right now. So that's where I am from. But I've been in Pune thanks to my employment. I've been in Pune for a long time, over 10 years, I believe. So yeah, I basically, this is Aishwarya, and I've been associated with the Pune chapter probably since its inception. I remember being there as an attendee back then, but yeah, that just kickstarted everything. I remember me, my friend Himanshu, and Hitesh, and a bunch of us from office. We were the Pune chapter, the people who were responsible for Pune chapter. That was, including Sai, there was like Vijay and Abhinivesh. These guys just asked us. They were our colleagues, and they just in our casual office conversation, they just asked us, what are you doing this Saturday? Are you free? Come on over. We'll have some conversations, and it'll be fun. Just come and join. And we said, okay, fine. It's Saturday. What? I don't have anything better to do, and I just walked into a user group meeting just for the sake of it. And since then, it was a complete revelation to me. It started kind of like what Hari Prasad was mentioning. We used to have these discussions with our people who are joining in. Like at that point, I was with Infosys, so we had these discussions with the new juniors that were coming in and about technology. We used to have a lot of discussions, and that somehow transitioned. As we name again, it's a mix of what everybody is saying. It transitioned into a broader audience. We started discussing things on a broader scale. You get new ideas, you get new inputs. So from there, the more you start learn, you want to give it back, you want to discuss more. And I like presenting, or I like speaking apparently. So yeah, I've been presenting since 2016 across various chapters in user groups. So that's what I like doing, and it's more of a conversation, and that's what I actually enjoy. That's the reason I'm into this, because you get to meet people who are really inspiring. Everybody on the screen in their own way. Can you beat the number of blogs Hari Prasad puts out? Can you? That takes dedication, that takes immense effort, trust me, folks. I remember myself struggling to send out one tip of the day for my office when my manager was asking me to. Like, oh my God, I have to write something. So, and look at the dedication of these people. You just walk. And then, but I was always hesitant to apply because I felt that I was not contributing enough. And then you get guys like Hari and Harish, Veera, and especially Vinay. A big thanks to Vinay. And of course, I can't forget Chandan, who's been, after me, and Sai is there. Then some of my colleagues. I mean, that's kind of how I also landed. I didn't land my job that way, but I knew about my company that way. I mean, I went to one of the Sangams and I saw somebody from my current organization presenting. And I was like, okay, these guys are talking about really some really good things that they're doing at this organization. I want to check out this organization. And that's why I started following that organization. And when there was an opening, I applied. I would have never known about that organization within. That's where I'm working currently. Probably might have heard of our blogs. But then, I mean, that's how I came across the organization that I'm currently working in. And then you got my some really amazing colleagues who are also a part of this program, or alumni like Dilly. He's from Nepal. He's a group of amazing guy. Sean Scott or Jared Nelson. I mean, then you start conversing and you get into this conversation. Your work improves and you kind of feel better about it. You start enjoying it more and more, and you organically give back. It's not a thing that I want to do something today. I want to give 100 presentations. I want to write 15 blogs. I want to do this. It's not a checklist that you're following. It's just something that you enjoy doing. So yeah, it's fun. You answer people, you think. So that's all I really have to say. But if you're talking about, if you're talking about what you gain, I personally think it just opens up a lot of avenues. And as someone I think already mentioned, a lot of new things. That's what I love the best. A very concrete example, and this is a very stupid example if you think of it, but this happened with me in one of the pretty old sangams. I went and somebody was talking about a new tool. I mean, somebody from the security team was very excited about DBSAT, DB security, and now everybody knows today DBSAT. At that point, they had just released it, right? So I don't remember. I suspect it was Chetan, but there was somebody. I attended a session, and I was like, wow, that's such a great tool. I mean, I never knew about this tool. So I went back to office after next week, and somebody just came that, hey, there's an audit that's going on, and we don't know what to do. I said, hang on, I know what to do for you. I heard about this tool. Let me try it out. And suddenly everybody was like, where did you get this? How did you get this? And it's all free of cost, right? And that was like, these are some very few tips. And this is just, I'm just telling you because I remember this one very distinctly. And I've been a fan of I am interested towards security and I work a lot on auditing and all that stuff. So yeah, that's, one of the few takeaways that you get. You learn new things, you just pick up things in casual conversations. So, I am hoping everybody, we get more attendees or more people who join the ACE program. Don't worry what you're doing. Don't worry the level of your contribution. Just, be there. So yeah, that's all I have to say.
Thanks so much, Aishwarya.
Kanan, thank you so much.
Yeah, you are our Maria Colgan of India. Thank you so much. So next we
I
have.
think that's too much. And yeah.
So next we have Riaz, and just one point for Riaz is that I think you have a private jet that whenever I was doing Exadata in Hyderabad, you were there. I was doing in Bangalore, you were there, and we were doing North India, you were there. So we need to know, do you have a private jet wherever there are events, and it's really good that you are there. So welcome, Riaz. Over to you now.
Thanks, Karan, for your lovely words. Actually, I'm planning to buy a jet, but let's see when I will buy. So that travel is sponsored by myself. So first of all, thankful to my Allah and my Prophet because of them I am here, and my parents. My mother teach me to share the everything whatever you have. So I'm working on that principle from so many years, and that's why I'm sharing my knowledge whatever I have to my DBA community. So I'm thankful to my DBA community also, and I'm 24/7 helper to every part of the country. Lots of people ask me when you sleep. So I say that I don't have sound sleep, and I trouble a lot Hari Prasad for giving me for sending me so many messages about ACE. So basically, I have passion about this ACE title when my brother Aman Sharma, we called him Paji. He got first ACE award in July 2009. Then I get to know that, okay, there is something ACE recognition. Then I search on the Google, then I read it, how I will get that ACE associate. So from 2009, I'm working on that, but hopefully this year, on September 2020, Naseem Basha nominated me and Kamran Agho nominated me. Then I get this award, and I asked so many questions about ACE to Hari also. And this journey not happened without Naseem Basha, Aman Paji, and Kamran and Hari Prasad. So I'm really thankful to all four guys. And also, I'm seeing in attendee Dilip Raj from Nepal. He invited me to speak in Nepal Oracle user group. So that was my first big event as a speaker in any Oracle user group. And also I'm very thankful to Hyderabad team who invited me for 15-minute session, first time in Hyderabad. And then Deepak and Aman Paji invited me in Chandigarh. So actually I love to attend to get the knowledge. If suppose my funda is every month when I get the salary, I bought 3-4 books. If suppose I'm getting any one line that is for means adding knowledge in my profile. So that is my hobby. So about ACE journey, this is not, people ask me so many questions about ACE. We will not get any money, but this is the recognition, because if you search on the ACE platform in Asia, in all over the world, 133 ACE associate. So I'm the one in that list. And if you search in Asia, only 38 people is there, ACE associate. And if you search in India, only 19 people is there. So I am proud of myself. I am in that list, but without DBA community and without your support, I didn't get this. And also I want to thankful AIOG and SAI team. And I started on social platform. I have attended Sangam 17. Naseem Basha push me come and Hyderabad. So from 17, I'm going everywhere whenever any event happens. And for sharing knowledge, I started my blog in 2018. And then this year, I started YouTube. My nephew convinced me that start YouTube channel. He is my YouTube editor. His name is Abu Khuzaima Ansari, and he's the youngest Oracle Cloud certified with me. And so lots of people help me. That's why I am here. And I am always available to support my community. And whenever people ping me, I always available on WhatsApp. And if you have a passion, then you can get that. My goal is started in 2009. Now I get it in 2020. But my goal is to become ACE director, because I want to speak all over the world and I don't have sponsorship. So I want Oracle sponsor me, so that I can go every part of the country where I can share my knowledge. And without goal, you cannot achieve anything. So my goals are set already. So I'm working on that. And see, whenever you face any problem in Oracle DBA, suppose, so everyone has a different solutions, right? So don't worry, your solution will be matched with someone, or your solution will not match with someone. Just do it and make a notes and post on your digital platform, right? So that is the basic funda to start your journey. And I am promoting many people to become to come and join on this platform, because this is lovely platform which AIOG build in India. And I think this is the best platform in all over the world, where many speakers comes and share the knowledge, and this time virtually. So only AIOG team is suffering the pain of organizing this AIOG event, but a speaker can speak from their home. So really thankful to AIOG team to organize this lovely events, and thanks to inviting me, and thank you.
Thanks, Riaz, for mentioning AIOG and the whole team's contribution. Very, privileged to do that, the whole team. So next is Harish. He's our big data person. So, very warm welcome, Harish. Over to you.
Thank you, Karan. I'm Harish from Chennai. So I've been with the AOAG community for the past 7 years. So it's great privilege to be part of our community. So I'm just wanted to tell a few things like what I felt as when I joined AOAG or something. So the first question that everyone has to ask themselves is what I need to know do. So what I need to do, what I need to do. So always surround yourself with good people. So good humans always take your friends or colleagues to the next level. So AOAG is kind of a platform wherein people will take you to the next level. So the thing is people are ready to take to the next level, but what is your part? Your part is nothing. Whatever you have learned, you have to share it. It's quite simple. Since the day of our birth in this world, what we do, we keep learning. Right from child till we die, we keep learning each and every day. Learning is there always. The only thing is we are surrounded by some wrong people who always tell, hey man, don't worry. We are getting salary on the first of thing, right? For which we will do work. That's enough. So it is all about your passion, what you want to do. So don't surround yourself with negative people. Always surround yourself with positive people. Even I was there in that kind of scenario, but I had luckily found a community called AOEG and a few good people who made me transform. I was just asking myself, can I really present in front of 100 people? Can I really share things? Oh, because you really don't know what you are capable of. So you need a good community to support you, good set of friends, good set of colleagues, and so many other things. Other factors are very, very important for you. So it is not just like I will be learning myself, I'll keep my everything with me. So then how come then the world can survive? So it is all like, it all starts with our basic human ability called sharing. So without sharing, there is nothing. So in the morning, when we had a call for the recognition program, I was just saying these two words. So be selfish in learning and be selfless in sharing. So these are the two mantras. So you use this selfish for learning also to sell your fish. Your fish is nothing but your knowledge. So you get recognized for what? For the knowledge which you have shared. Are you going to lose something by sharing? Nothing. Are you going to lose some 10 crores or 20 crores or 30 crores? Nothing. So what ultimately is the that you get is happiness. So when someone is placed in a good company because of your, someone is able to resolve this issue on a day-to-day basis by reading your blog. So that is the real happiness that you're going to get. So always don't surround yourself with negative people. Always be surround yourself with positive people. And coming to the ACE program, I was recognized last year. So ACE program is like, it is just another award that I've got. It is, yeah, I feel happy about it. Yeah, that's always there. But that doesn't stop me from where I want to go. So it is not like I don't want to set milestones like I want to become ACE director, I want to become a community director, I want to become, yeah, those will always come. So like how many philosophers say or something, don't chase recognition, money. Don't do it. Do it as a service. So always when you do good things, you get back good things. So the community is the place. So let it be anything. I mean, let it be a group study wherein you do something related to your own perception, or let it be a technical stuff, or let it be an office space. Wherever you go, you have a good set of people wherein they constantly motivate you. So don't always, we as a people, what we do is always we put a blame on others. Like, oh man, my manager is not supporting me. Oh my man, I don't have a right content. Oh, I don't have right time. See, it is at the end of the day, it is you. Can't you spend 5 minutes a day to learn a new thing? So ask the question to yourself. You don't need to you don't need to see everyone as, I mean, the people are great gurus, or you can become a guru is nothing but you share the knowledge what you know. So never ever stop learning, and never ever stop sharing. So that is the only thing. Automatically whatever you want to achieve, the success will follow you. You need not follow success. You don't need to pressurize your mind. I have to write 100 blogs, I have to write 1000 blogs. Don't keep anything in your mind. Okay, that's all there. You share the knowledge, automatically whatever you want to do, will follow you. So always be with good people. Join community called like AOUG. Okay, so without AOUG, I would have been. I would have also been a normal person. I was just blaming some other people. So it is the right people I found out. They encouraged me. I got a job through AOAG. I was able to speak in front of 300 people in Hyderabad. So that was the first session that I was just put it in the. I was just put in a hot plate. But I really didn't know what to do. But still, I did not lose my confidence at that particular time. I felt that this is the moment I can really do it. You really need not be a Shakespeare or someone to talk. Okay, so there are many people who think I have stammering problem. I don't know English. I am not good at writing. See, let's not think we are all from a different world. We are in a small world. Whatever we know, we are good at it. So the only thing is, whatever we speak, it should be understood by the other person. So that is the thing. So think the other person who is standing in front of you, he doesn't know anything. Okay, it is not based on the ego. Just think that he's also like a person who's there here to share his knowledge or to listen to what you speak. So think like that. So that is how I constantly motivated myself, and a community like AOG is really required, wherein to boost up your confidence. So yeah, so never blame anyone for your failures. Always keep constantly motivating yourself. So whatever you want to become, definitely will become. So it is really a great opportunity for me and other colleagues as well. So all the best for whatever you want to become. Okay, so thank you.
Thank you so much, Harish, for wise words. I think that summarizes quite well what we should all do. So I would now like the master of ACE program, Sai Penamuru, to give us some wise words, and the audience have some interesting questions, especially on ACE program. So over to you, Sai.
I'm not really master, but I think I was just listening. I just made some notes. I'll summarize. So I think started with Karan. One second, let me stop my other laptop. So learning by helping and sharing, that's very important. That's a very fundamental thing everybody should start, right? I think AIOG is the platform you can start. One of the best thing is what Harish mentioned is, you can start with the baby steps, start with a 10 minutes, presentation. We have actually encouraged many speakers like that. And then you can start with 30 minutes and you can start going even one day webinar, right? So that's very important. Arpit, I think really like this LSN, learn, share, and network. I think that's really important for everyone. And also how he started and how he's handling the North India chapter is really great. And also at least Hari, so by attending monthly events. So he used to attend all the events by Chennai chapter or Bangalore chapter, and definitely it really helped him in finding the right jobs. Now he's in a really great company like Doances, right? Vinay, so he's more focused on his consulting. He never come out of his organization, started attending conferences or maybe AIOG events, networking with many people. One of the important thing is he's not giving his own expertise, right? He selected a new topic, which is like, it always pushes you to learn, because without learning you can't present, right? So that is really important. You just pick a new topic, right? And it will actually put you in a come out of your comfort zone, and you need to prepare a lot of things in the new topic. And Maz, I think it's very important, for example, you start contributing and you will be part of this Oracle ACE program newsletter. It will be spread across more than like millions of people, right? So your name will be there and your name will be identified. And also the product briefing, right? As Vinay mentioned, it's always used to happen for Oracle ACE directors. You'll be invited to Oracle Open before Oracle Open World, 5 days before the Oracle Open World, and you will get always a briefing from, we used to have a opportunity to get a briefing from Thomas Kurian, right? So just sitting in front of Thomas Kurian, getting a product briefing. And what is product briefing? Like, Oracle will share with you what is, sorry, somebody shared my, okay, this is something. Vinay, you shared this picture?
Yeah, that I have shared the picture.
Okay, so it interrupted me again. So product briefing is basically, for example, what is, so normally, again, I don't want to take a Thomas Kurian, but basically what is the fundamental formula is Thomas Kurian used to come and say that this is what we are planning to announce, right? So what happens, it become, Thomas Kurian used to take a feedback from us saying that, okay, this is what coming, what is your feedback, right? So he used to take inputs from ACE directors and ACE community, right? I think one of the thing was like when 9i was 9i, between 9i and 10G, right? The G was actually the G, 10G is a grid, right? That feedback was provided by the Oracle ACE, okay? So they immediately changed that name and saying that why you're keeping still I. So you need to basically change to the, what to say, to the G, grid technology, right? So that's really a craze. That's really a feedback. And Aish, right? Aish is, started attending AIOG meetup, monthly meetup. So that way she built her career, right? And also important thing is by attending these events, you'll come to know a lot of free stuff. And I think one of the examples she shared was this a DBSAT, right? And coming to Ansari, that is very true. Like what Karan shared, like, he used to, they are everywhere, right? And when we do a OG Yatra, like he used to be in Hyderabad, the next day he'll be in Pune and Mumbai. So, so that's the passion of attending, right? So, it's not like, he's traveling, he's basically trying to catch up on new topics from the new speakers, right? And Harish, again, very important thing is, this is what even my lessons, right? Always surround with the positive people. You will see in your life a lot of negative people. They'll discourage you. They'll discourage you, and they don't want to see growing. And I have seen many people in my life. I'm still saying every day. I'm saying people they want to drag you out. So be with the positive people, right? So that's very important. And finally, I want to say something from my side is it's like it's not only a national connection, it's a global connection, right? So you'll be connected with all the Oracle ACE program members. They're really good in technology. Some are really good in motivation, right? Lot of things. So apply this program, and we all here to help you. I think there are some questions we can definitely take. Build your connections, right? At least I think personally, I have taken too much from Oracle ACE community. I think I shared in my previous call, I traveled more than 20 countries, presented more than 80 plus conferences. I'm really sick of presenting now. That's why I'm not presenting now. So I went to almost all the conferences, including Oracle Open World, presented more than 12 years in Oracle Open World, right? And one of the key things is, I think Hari shared, right? So it was very tough to present in front of 10 people. Now we are able to present in 1,000 people. In Oracle Open World, I presented more than 2,000 people, right? So it's more of how you learn. When you are in that hot seat, you will actually apply all the formulas, right? For example, how do you impress people? How do you read people, right? Started attending Toastmasters Club. I don't know how many of you know about Toastmasters Club, right? Start attending Toastmasters Club, and it will improve your public speaking, right? And start with the baby steps, right? You don't require to become and one thing, important thing, don't aim for Oracle ACE, right? This should come part of your passion, right? So maybe today I'm part of Oracle ACE program. Tomorrow they'll remove from the Oracle program. That doesn't mean that I'm going to stop all my passion, right? So it's very important that the program will identify. Otherwise, we will nominate, your friends will nominate. It's open to anyone, right? So don't stop there. And ultimately use the platform. You have a platform here. You have really positive people surrounded by the whole community. I get a lot of positive energies when I meet these people, right? I think someone mentioned like every Sunday we meet, right? even if it is related to AIoT or just a personal tag for 15 minutes. That will give you a lot of positive energy, right? I'll stop here because I'm talking too much. So any questions from anyone? So please ask us, or you put it in a chat window so that we can start answering.
There was one question, Sai. It was yeah, that was related to yeah. So in the chat, if you can see, Asif has asked one question, which is related to what contribution is evaluated. So I would say initially you can submit your all contributions which you have done in past. Based on that, they will decide on the what category of ACE you can be given at. And later on, it has to be continuously. You have to continuously contribute to the community. There is a point system being built by the Oracle ACE program, where you have to earn certain points to keep your ACE titles with you. If you are not able to do it, then you become an ACE alumni. That's what it is.
Yeah, Asif, if you want to ask, raise your hand. I think we are done Sangam, so we are totally relaxed. So even we can go for 10, 15 minutes more. I think you can see the expressions from Aishwarya. I think, so let's see, somebody is asking, just unmute,
We have
Babu, anyone? Yeah.
We have, I think, one question, and we have Veera. Veera, you want to answer this question? I think the question was that that Asif has written a book 2 years back, and he has written to his community. So Veera, you want to answer this?
Yeah. What was the question actually? Let me.
Yeah,
So
the question.
after applying for ACE program, the evaluation by approving community is done based on the contribution to previous year alone. No, it's not like that. It's not like a certain period. They'll always look at what you have contributed to. It is not really anything to do with time period. It is maybe 6 months. Somebody is really doing good at in 3 months, right? So it depends on how much contribution. So basically, what they look is like, for example, you have a blog. How many hits are coming, that is a measurement, right? Obviously you can say you are the best blog, but how do you prove it? By hitting number of people your blog, right? So it's open, right? That's nothing, no politics here. It's open. When you submit, you see that, okay, I'm writing this blog. Okay, how many hits are getting to your blog, right? That's one of the measurement. For example, why I'm pushing AIoT speaking slot is that is a highly considered one, right? For example, Asif, you have already presented in Sangam multiple times, right? There is a high chance of getting, and also you published book. So I think, I can help you. I can follow up with the ACE program, Asif, and that way I think we can speed up the process. But think about its entire global program. They may be receiving like hundreds and hundreds of applications per day, and they have to really segregate depending on the regions. So one of my aim is like, when we started in OG Yatra, it was like 20 people. Now we doubled already. Now next 3 months we need to really double, and like, for example, we have 39 people in the call. I think everybody should join this program, right? And we are ready to help you, and we are ready to shape your things. We are ready to help you. We can provide your feedback, and basing on that you can achieve. Yeah. So Babu, you can unmute yourself, and you can talk. Yeah.
Sai, thanks, Sai. Actually, I personally met Harish, I suppose, in Chennai, and I do ping Hari Prasad, and I do like connect with all you people, and I'm really happy. Like I see out of the Oracle user groups, All India Oracle user group is doing very good, and I do attend the UK OEG and what you call LATAM. I think LATAM tour when they did, I was attending a lot of webinars. I do see a lot of share and care, especially if you look at the Oracle user group, right? It's like connected to their spirit, like language based or group based or something like that. Whereas you driving it from UK, the Indian Oracle user group, it's really good. It's not easy task, and especially with the mass coming from Oman, I think it's a great way moving ahead. And only thing I can say like is, like what is said, the Toastmaster thing, probably that delivery of the speech, right? That is where I see the difference. And the preparation and the discussions, like even now, right? We don't know the audience who is listening, correct? Maybe you people might be knowing, but I don't know who is out there. So the subject, what you are talking, it should include or engage the people who are attending. That is what my suggestion is. If you really want to talk within yourself, you can have a separate meeting. But whatever the ideas that shared, whatever the spirit that said, like it's keep it simple, stupid, right? Like sharing the knowledge. That is the motto, right? Yeah, that is right. I will connect with you later. And I just wanted to say, like, I also started coordinating in Northern California Oracle user group. I don't know how many people might have known it. It's NoCook,
Yes.
NoCook we call it. So I just started and I'm continuing. It's very hard, like whether you make it free or whether it is online
So,
or it
Babu,
is in
sorry to
person.
interrupt you. If you have a question, please let us. So let us respect everybody's time here, right? So I
Sure,
don't know if
sure.
it's a
I just
question
want
or a
to
Uh,
thank.
suggestion
we do
or
have a question.
no.
No, it's
Yeah, please conclude, Babu.
yeah, sure. For the all the efforts what you have put in, I really appreciate. I just wanted to thank everyone.
Hey, thanks, thanks,
Yeah.
Babu.
Thank you so much. So we have a question which says that do we need to be an Oracle employee to be eligible for the ACE program?
That's
I mean, it's quite
exactly
the
you
opposite.
need not
Oracle
to be.
employees are not.
Yeah, that exactly you need not to
Yes.
be.
Yeah.
You need
So
not to be Oracle
Oracle
employees.
employees are not eligible. You know, one of the important thing is here is Oracle ACE program. One of the backbone of Oracle ACE program is you provide a real feedback, right? That you can't do it as an Oracle employee, right? You can't comment anything on any product, but Oracle ACE program is totally independent. So that is why I think if you look at one of the Thomas Kurian's video previously, he says advocacy program, right? So you provide honest feedback. It is not influenced by Oracle, right? You say this is really not good. This feature is not good, right? So you can provide, but as an Oracle employee, you can't do it, right? So that is why, unfortunately, Oracle employees are not eligible, but that doesn't stop you, right? I can give you a number of examples. For example, Veera is the best example, right? So he was an Oracle employee, and his passion is to share the knowledge. He was sharing the knowledge throughout many years, right? And suddenly, he resigned from Oracle. Now he's in Fidelity. Now he became an Oracle ACE director directly, just direct jump to ACE director, right? So don't think about the passion. I'm talking about the passion is more important than anything else. So any questions? Any more questions? We don't want to waste your Sunday evening, but please use this opportunity. And one of the important thing is we want to see more aces coming. I'm sure there are really good diamonds in our country. Only thing is they don't come out, right? And it's very important that we identify them, saying that these guys are really good in presentation, really good in writing technical articles, really good in forum, right? So we need to really find those diamonds, right? That is my aim. My goal is to basically increase the percentage of aces in our India, right? India is in terms of population, no, you can't beat with anyone. But in terms of aces also, we need to really identify those diamonds. So any other questions from anyone?
Oh, Veera,
I think no more
somebody
questions.
like.
Yeah.
I think Veera has joined us finally. He was
again SR questions, it seemed like. What is it?
Veera, somebody is thanking you for all the answers that you provided during the SRs.
Thanks.
Yeah, so that is the way he built the whole network, right? So I think there are so many stories from Veera. Like he is an Oracle employee, he used to support SRs, and he used to come and present in AIOG channels. And in SR, they'll say, Veera, we attended your session. That's why we fixed the problem. So it's an official channel, writing about the AIOG program, right? So it's that's where you need to build, right? It's a passion. It's nothing to do with, again, don't aim for the levels and all, but it automatically comes. Only thing is use the platform. So anything from anyone? Otherwise, we want to really break out from this last, I don't know, 3 weeks and go out and really take some break. I want to, so make sure that, please reach out to us. We are in the Telegram group. Please reach out to us. Don't expect immediately. I think somebody started pinging me like, okay, I want to do something, give us some time. And we definitely, listening all your feedback, and we'll come back one by one because we are all full-time employees. So it's just our passion. Look at closing my door and my family is outside and I'm just spending time with you guys. So that's that's our passion, right?
Sai, last thing I want to talk. We had a recognition program in the morning, but we forgot to recognize our own families. For example, you have been working on this. So from my end, I would like to thank my parents who did not disturb me to attend Sangam. So likewise, all participants are there. So we should definitely thank our family who have been supportive to attend Sangam.
Exactly, that's more important. I think without their sacrifice, we can't do all the stuff. And especially, I need to thank my family and similarly everybody, right? So I can talk everyone like Vinay, especially Ritika is helping, not disturbing. So she's feeding properly on time. So many stories, personal stories, but please reach out to us. I think with that, I really thank entire team here. You can see the passion coming from each one of everyone, like they're all spread across pan India, but we are like a family and helping this community, and we want to also help others, right? We want to see everybody coming to the ACE program and sharing the knowledge, and that way you can grow in your career.
So one last thing, if we can do a small poll.
Go ahead, sorry.
Yeah, sure. Thanks, Sai. So, guys, I'm launching a small poll. We have just a couple of questions from you. So go ahead and answer, please. So it's there now. So 5 seconds more. So the question is, are you contributing to Oracle community forums? And we have pretty good number of votes already. And 45% says yes so far. 57 no. Okay, interesting. So that means 40% people are contributing to forum. So next question. So I'll share the results first. So yeah, I hope the results are visible. Okay.
Yeah.
Next, 2 more questions. There you go. Are you blogging? Yes or no? So 5 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
So yeah, one thing I see, like 13 people are blogging. So let's help them first, right? So all 13 people who are voted, are you blogging? Yes, please reach out to us, right? Yeah. Please ping Karan, or I'm sure you guys are in Telegram group. If not, Hari Prasad, just put our Telegram link in the chat so that people can join. And you can find us in that group, and you can ping us. So 13 people are the next batch now.
And the best thing, if you want to call us, at least my number is there on the AIOG website. You can call me. I'll definitely help you out. I know people are a bit, yeah, because because what happens is people are a bit, hesitant to do it on the public forum. So you can definitely reach out to me. We'll definitely help you out.
Thanks. So last question, and these were, Veera's suggestions. He asked me to, very nice suggestions. So go ahead, guys. Are you willing to be a part of Oracle ACE Community India? So that's the last question. So 5 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Well, this is a chance to get the numbers right. We can.
So, well, it's a yes from everyone. So I believe you all can see the results as well. Yeah.
So I would
Yes.
say whoever said yes should connect with the local teams and start presenting for first 15 minutes. Okay, so whoever said yes, reach out to the local teams, and once we are started with sessions, physical sessions or on-field sessions, take out 15 minutes time. Start with 15 minutes. That will give you confidence.
Okay, super. Again, we definitely want to help you. Please, you can see our faces as well as our contact numbers in the Telegram. And Hari Prasad just put a Telegram link. So please join that one and pass it to your connections and make it a big community, Oracle community. Also help others, right? So thank you very much for joining. And for any queries, please ping us in Telegram, and we will not respond immediately, by the way.
At least for next few days, next 2 days.
Yeah.
Okay. Thanks.
Okay.
Bye.
Thanks.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.
See you.
Thank you. Bye. Take care.
Bye. Take care, everyone.
Bye. Take care.